Hi, this is Chris Perkle. I'm a language arts teacher at King Middle School, and in this video you're going to learn how to use the Q&A feature in Google Slides to help engage your students. So what it will look like is while you are presenting a slide with a prompt, you will allow kids to respond to it using the Q&A feature. So they will see this screen here and they'll ask a question. You do want to be aware that they can click that Ask Anonymous button. So you'll want to make sure you're clear with that as you are going over your expectations. They can thumbs up options. I always encourage them or tell them not to use the thumbs down. But as they do that, you can see that it says new top questions. So the questions that get a lot of thumbs up will go up to the top of the screen. And then the teacher view is over here. So this is really nice if you can use a separate screen to project your slideshow. But if not, it will still work. So you can do it that way. The nice thing here is as you're doing this, if you're like, oh, this is a really popular one, let's show that. And then everyone gets to see that specific one that you want to highlight. You can also turn it on to only Portland Public Schools. If they were to try to get the link somehow, they get this message, you're not able to ask questions. So how do we do this? Let's start from the beginning. So in your slideshow, up at the top here, you're going to click the button next to present. So we click that and do presenter view. And you will get your speaker notes up here, and we want to do audience tools, and we can continue a recent one. So I can start that one that I was just showing, or we can start a new one. Either way, it's the exact same setup. Once you've done this, what I like to do is copy this URL, and then I'll put it into Google Classroom in a post. So that way they can click right to it. They don't have to try to type that in. We all know how challenging that can go sometimes. And then you go ahead and you show your presentation, and they enter in their responses to the question. This is really great for hearing everyone's voice. It's really great to highlight the voice of students who don't normally speak in class, because you can literally put their words up on the screen and talk about them as a class. It's just a great way to get kids thinking and seeing each other's work, because as they put in their questions, everyone can see it. So that's nice. So I hope that's helpful.